Good evening, everybody. Jason here, and today I have a surprise gift from Hermes from my wife for my birthday. So she surprised me with this today, and I have no idea what's inside. So what we're going to do is open it up and find out and do a surprise unboxing. So obviously here's the typical Hermes bag. Nice and sturdy and with the orange color bag and the brown handle. I'll put the tissue paper off to the side. And here's a little box. So nicely tied with the ribbon. So Hermes on the box and on the ribbon, as you can see. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. I am super excited for this. So, box. Let's take a peek. This paper. This is really cool. I believe this is a passport holder. It looks like about the right size. And we got a nice little clasp here. So it's a nice fine-grained leather. I know it might look black in the video, but it's not quite black. I'd say it's a very dark gray. It's almost black, but it's not quite. Nice textured feel on the leather here. Hopefully that comes through on the video. Same thing on the back side. And we have a little clasp right here. It's a really nice and sturdy clasp as well. I'm confident that if I'm walking around with this, that this won't accidentally come undone. It does require a bit of force and a bit of intention in order to open this up. And inside, you have the nice lining here, nice and soft. And it's one big pocket that looks to be about the size of a passport. So what we're going to do is just pause the video for a second. Let me grab my passport and we'll see if it fits. Okay, I'm back with my passport. Visually, looks like it's a pretty good fit. So let's go ahead and stick the passport in. Just have it slide right in. Almost there, it just needs to be broken in a little bit. There we go. Done. So we would definitely be using this on my next trip. Nice little holder. The clasp is here, so it does cover both the top, as you can see, and the side. So if this is in a bag somewhere or is in a compartment that's getting bounced around, like so, it's not accidentally going to come out. So it's nice and sturdy. And I doubt that you'll be able to see this on the video, but on the back, towards the very bottom, there's the Hermes stamp down there. It's very, very faint. It'll probably be clearer on some lighter colors. Hopefully it comes through on the video, but if it doesn't, take my word for it, it is actually there. And this feels really good. So I'm really excited to use this. And we'll make sure to do a follow-up video once this has been through a few trips and let you know how it's holding up. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And I'll see you next time.